Hey, this is Randy Dobson with the Jalot Home Team at Keller Williams Realty Mid-Willamette, and I'm coming to you live today at 322 Shannon Drive here in Lebanon. 322 is right behind me. I'm just going to give you a little kind of a lay of the land here, and then we'll go inside. The property just listed. It is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, 2-story, as you can see behind me. And it is 2,164 square feet. I'm going to kind of turn you around here, take a look at the neighborhood. So nice, quiet street, kind of a cul-de-sac setting as well, dead end all the way down there on Shannon. You're going to have to take a left or a right, go down Joy and bump you out on South Main. And then look down this side and Shannon will end over on South 5th. So you can go left and head on out down towards Brownsville or right back into Lebanon. So I'm going to see if I can go ahead and turn this on its side and see if it will allow me to do that so we can kind of get a horizontal view. And we'll see. So somebody, oh, I can't turn my phone while recording. Super fine. Thanks, Facebook. I appreciate it. So I'll just keep it like this. But here it is, 322 Shannon Drive. So we've got lap siding here, just like everything. So built in 2007. We'll head right in here. The backyard is something I'm going to save to the end. Oh, and let me go ahead and, while I'm in here and out of the rain, I'll read something on behalf of the Jalot team. The Jalot team is working hard to serve our clients virtually, and we're thankful to have the ability to walk through homes for you so you can stay home and stay safe. I have a short note from Laura and David Jalot that I'd like to read before we go any further. Our hearts go out to everyone during this uncertain time with the COVID-19 or the coronavirus. We are trying to make the best decisions for our community. The state at this time will allow showings to happen with 6-foot social distance, and we are still getting calls from agents wanting to view our listings. We have a COVID-19 safety checklist for all the agents before showing, but we feel getting a video will help with reducing the amount of traffic through the home. And if we are mandated to shut our doors, the videos will help buyers continue to view without leaving their homes. We want the best for our community, and we are taking proactive measures to keep everyone safe. So the property is 322 Shannon Drive, 2,164 square feet, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and it's listed at $360,000. We're right inside. I'm going to turn us back around. All right, so here is the entryway. Chandelier, so we've got the stairs to the left, hallway into the back living room. We've got a kind of a den, almost a kind of a den living room area, if you will. And then closet here. And this, again, goes underneath the stairs. So there's a huge amount of space in here. So definitely your, as I say, your Harry Potter kind of closet there. You could definitely maybe put a bed or something. But we come into the kitchen here, tile counters, gas stove. So the appliances, refrigerator, range, dishwasher, all staying. Negotiable, but staying, as they're saying in the listing. Nice Samsung fridge and stove. Good countertops. Again, tile. And then you've got a linoleum kitchen. Some recessed lighting, along with some a lot of storage space here as well. So I'm facing the front, but just to the right, this is a huge pantry. Look at that. Goes, not showing what everybody eats. Goes all the way to the top. 8 feet 8 foot 11 inch ceilings. So 9 foot ceilings in here. You are not going to feel cramped at all. So we've got carpet running through the hallway and into the living room. Take a look at this. Nice gas fireplace, gas forced air, AC. I'll just give you a sneak peek. We're going to come back around, but take a look at that. Raised garden beds, covered patio, wonderful deck. Look at this. I'm showing you too much. And then this shop, you can call it a man cave or whatever you want, rolling doors. Let me just come over here. So we've got the laundry room as we're heading out toward the garage. We've got the laundry room, huge laundry room. You do a lot of laundry in this place. This is your half bath. If I go to the left, oh, there's me. We don't need to see me. We need to see the house. And then the 2-car garage, and it does have a man door. Pay no attention to all the toys they have, but then the man door goes out to the side of the property as well. A lot of space. I'll go to the garage here and flip around. Look at all this space. I've got this built-in here for even more storage. And make special note, that's the closet doors that go to one of the bedrooms upstairs. So I'm going to take you on back around. Take a look at this. Great family setting. Hang out. All right, I'm going to head on upstairs. All 4 bedrooms upstairs. I mean, unless you're going to count the Harry Potter closet, but we're not. So we'll go on up the stairs. Hopefully I'm not huffing and puffing. I'll pretend I'm in shape. Here we go, and we'll just go straight linen closet. And I did find this. That's right. There's some toilet paper. So, negotiable. Everything's negotiable here. So we come into the master bedroom. Closet. Kind of give you a peek and roll around this door so it still goes everywhere. A lot of built-ins, a lot of storage. Single vanity. Soaker tub. So it's not jetted, which sometimes there's 2 different views on that. Sometimes when you have a jetted tub, again, you got to worry about all the motors and the moving parts. So this is real nice. And Sherry was mentioning something about fitting a couple of people in a stand-up shower. I think for safety purposes, we'll just not comment on that. And then again, you can see his and her closet. So depending on who has the most clothes, or it's a hers and hers closet, I'm not sure. However you want to discuss that. And then, so that was a master. And then we've got 2 other bedrooms. Lots of storage. Some built-ins here. Again, sliding closet doors. And they still have a lot of storage in here. Then same as I walk out and around. 3rd bedroom. And this is where I noticed they had just the doors off, but they're just downstairs. Easy peasy there. The floor plan is great. And then the big secret surprise here. Again, here's your first full bathroom. The half bath was downstairs, and then you had your master. So great second. And then we come around here, and this is the bonus above the garage. And the pictures just don't do it justice. That's why really glad we're doing these walkthrough videos, because this is the bonus room. And the dimensions, it's like L-shaped. So you could have like almost 3 different queen-size beds in here. I mean, I don't know why. It just depends. But look at this. So coming in from the room, huge area. And then it goes all the way back here, and you've got closet doors. So this is kind of, and then you've got storage here. Anyway, just a kid's dream. If folks would give him this space, I don't think they'd ever see him again. kind of a thing. So anyway, great space up here. L-shaped, vaulted. I mean, it's just a great space, and it is the 4th bedroom. Fantastic. All right, I know everybody's been saying, here we go. Floor plan, backyard, yes. It is amazing. We're heading down there now, so everybody can take a look. If anybody has any questions, just ask. I'll see if I can't read and not trip, chew gum, something like that. Let's go right out back. This is going to be great. Okay, again, built in 2007, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,164 square feet. It's only on a 0.14 acre lot. But man, they have maximized every bit of this space. Look at this. So you've got concrete area here. Yes, great man cave, Jennifer. But we've got a, I believe it's a 12 by 20 shop. It's got not this one, sorry. Let me just keep panning here. So you got raised garden beds, you got soakers, you've got irrigation, so no worries there. And this is, that's mint. So that's not no weeds there, that's mint. They still have it going. Little yard, concrete here. And then this is to the left of the house as you're facing it. And they back a trailer up there. Rolling door. Again, 12 by 20. It's got 110 and 220. Anytime you say that, it always reminds me of that movie, Mr. Mom, where he's saying 110, 220, whatever it takes. But great. Look at this. Rolling door. I mean, this is a workshop right here. Nice and bright, concrete floors. Even got it set up for, there's your power there. I know this particular seller actually kind of forges and makes knives and amazing stuff with metal. You see the anvil, and it's all by hand. So wonderful space here. Fantastic. 110, 220. Whatever it takes. Great space. Let me go to the back corner here. I'll show you. Here it is. They've even got those fun lights, those Edison lights. You got your irrigation there and your nice soakers. Fantastic. And this is mint. I'm going to try it. Oh, yeah. That's great. Now my breath is minty fresh. Perfect. Oh, and then there's a little side compartment. They usually throw the trash cans, anything in there to kind of put this up. Nice arborvitaes, good bark. I'm just, man, what a great house. Again, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. I'm going to go inside again. Did anybody have anything? Any questions? Doesn't look like it. Okay. Perfect. Wow. All right. Well, let me, I'll go ahead and end this and just know, stay home, stay safe. Use these videos if there's a property that you're too concerned about heading out yourself, give the Delight team a call. We'll be happy to do any kind of personal video. If you can't make the tour or can't see the home, we're here to help. We want you to stay home, stay safe. That's why we're doing these videos. I'm at 322 Shannon Drive. If you want any more information on this, call the team at 541-451-2211. Or you can reach out my cell phone, 541-405-6954. But any questions, just call the team. Randy Dobson, Lord Gillette Home Team, Keller Williams Realty Mid-Willamette. Stay home, stay safe. Take care, guys.